For water heater failure services in Santa Cruz, California, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a great option. With a strong reputation for plumbing and water heater repair, the company provides dependable and effective solutions for homeowners with water heater problems. Their skilled crew of plumbers can address any issue, whether it's a broken water heater interfering with your shower or making it difficult to heat water for your dishes. Are you looking for a water heater failure services near me? You can stop look in. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is the most common cause of water heater failure? At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we routinely handle sediment buildup inside the tank, which is the most common cause of water heater failures in Santa Cruz, California. When water-soluble minerals like calcium and magnesium settle, sediment accumulates at the tank's bottom. This silt could operate as an insulator between the water and the heating element, adding to the burden and lowering the heater's efficiency until the overheating causes it to fail. How to maintain a water heater? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment offers expert advice and services to residents in Santa Cruz, California. The longevity and efficiency of a water heater depend heavily on proper maintenance. Regular maintenance can reduce the need for expensive plumbing repairs, increase the unit's lifespan, and stop water heater failure. One of the most crucial aspects of water heater maintenance is routinely checking the temperature setting. By keeping it around 120 degrees Fahrenheit, you can prevent burning, ensure peak performance, and use less energy. Where is your service area? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment takes pride in providing services to the California municipalities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, California 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, http://santacruzplumbingrepair.com santa-cruz-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/